Hi, I'm Jim with Food Grade Solutions, and today I'd like to show you how to properly install spanware IMP anchors in an insulated metal panel. The anchor that we'll be installing today is intended for use in insulated metal panels of 4 to 6 inches thick. The first step in this installation is to take an 1.1/8" hole saw and drill just through the outer lamination of the insulated metal panel. The next step is to take the wall screw and engage the 9/16 hex head with a 9/16 socket driver and screw into the wall. Keep screwing until the barbs just snap past the metal lamination on the outside of the wall. The next step is to take our EPDM gasketed wall washer and wall spacer, put them up to the wall. The item that we would be fastening would then be placed here, and then we insert a 3/8 stainless steel bolt, tighten the assembly to 45 inch-pounds. We've pre-assembled an assembly here to show you the final installation. This is a 12-inch piece of wall mount strut installed in a 4-inch polyurethane insulated metal panel with 2 model IMP AD 375 spanware anchors. This installation is capable of a working load of 55 pounds. For more information, you can go to foodgradesolutions.com. Thanks for listening.